Hello, my friends. Welcome to Lean and Clean Fitness Chef Christine. I'm Christine, your host, and today we are going to talk about the easy way to get 120 grams of protein a day. I get this question a lot. How is it possible to get that much protein in a day? I'm going to show you how easy it is. A little bit of planning, you make sure that you have your protein at every meal, and it's not a problem. So let's start with the first thing. In the morning, I usually start out with some Greek yogurt. You can do chia pudding, you can do scrambled egg, whatever protein you like, but this gets me an easy 120 grams of protein a day. So I've got 1 cup of chia seeds in there. 1 cup of Greek yogurt, and I'm going to sprinkle some chia seeds across the top. And then we're going to add some mixed berries to that. Fruit seeds, or it's just going to fly all over the place. I like to buy these pre-sliced fruit cups because I can use them for a couple of meals and it just makes my life easier. Let's break this down just a little bit. There we go. So you can see in just a few seconds, we've got a great breakfast to start with. So right here is 25 grams of protein, right? So let's adjust this a little bit here. Sometimes my camera does not want to work with me. So that's the first thing I do. Then a couple hours later, I have a couple hard-boiled eggs, or I have some beef jerky, or I have something else to supplement that protein in there. And then we get to lunch. Typically, I am all about on-the-run food because I am on the go all the time. But this is a simple way for you to get your protein in there. 2 ounces of deli turkey, and a real turkey that they slice off the bone is 9 grams of protein. I've got some pastrami, which is another 9 grams of protein, some Gouda cheese, which is 6. And then I've got some fresh avocado and some lightly sliced apple. Good to get those words in there. And then I made the wrap. This wrap is so simple to make. It is 1 zucchini with 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese and 2 eggs. And it will make 2 of these wraps. Now you can do that, or you can go the simple route and just buy the spinach tortillas and use those. But we're going to use this right now. So all of these yogurt in. On this mat, lay it out there. This one doesn't want to be heated, so, but we're just going to fold that cheese in half so it's got on this side, on that side. And layer our pastrami and our turkey in there. And then I come across with an apple because I like a little sweetness and a little crunch in there. And I usually try to keep my meals that I have 2 fruits a day. I have high protein. I have vegetables at every meal and vegetables. And then I have a fermented food every day. So really we can keep it all in there. Now, this might look a little messy to eat, and it is, but it's delicious. It's really great. Now you can do tortilla style. My goodness, I can't speak today. You can do it quesadilla style where you grill it. You can do it plain. But the idea is just that it's a vehicle for getting that food in there. If you don't like to do it that way, then you just unwrap it. You can take some of these apples and just fold it in there and just eat it just like that. It's delicious. But this way you get your zucchini in there too. You get right in. Let's take a look at dinner. I got 6 ounces of chicken, a cup of cottage cheese, and some steamed broccoli with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. It's a simple meal, but it's packed with protein. The cottage cheese alone has 10 grams of protein. Oh, that right there is 120 grams of protein for the day. See how simple that is? If you needed more, or say you needed 150, you simply add another protein snack in there and you're right there. Or you go a little bigger portion of your protein during your meal. And it's just that easy, but it's so very important that you get that in there. Now, we're going to come up with the number 120. My goal weight is 120 pounds. So I'd like to keep it at 1 gram of protein per gram of body weight. And so that's where we have it. So it's 120 pounds, 120 grams. So that just gives you some simple ideas of ways to do that. I hope you found this helpful. And if you do, I hope that you'll give us 5 stars and leave comments. If you have questions, I'm happy to answer. And I just really appreciate you being here with me. I send you lots of love. Have a great night.